All right, guys, so this morning I came out and the fig tree was down again. So listen, she is in the ground. She went through this pot and she is in the ground. So I have this long stick right here, and I had been to just hammer that thing in that pot all the way through, so it can keep this the pot stabilized, right? And so now Ben is putting another stick on the other side where it won't move. And we are going to take the airlays off. They are ready. They are ready to look at that, y'all. Y'all see that airlay? She's so ready. So we're going to cut them off, and I have some containers ready for them to go into. That they are now individual trees. So it is so windy out here this morning. The weatherman says it's about 63, 64 degrees, but it don't feel like that to me. What did do you know the wind, Ben?
35.
35, okay. Yeah, it feels like it. It's so windy. It is, yeah. So the roses in the way. So then gonna just hammer that in, and I'm gonna get some containers ready for my airlays. So Ben is cutting the airlay off. You want Stanley? Cause that thing now.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You want Stanley?
Yeah.
Watch your hand, Ben. You got your hand in the wrong spot. If that saw come down, bruh, your flesh. Ben, please move your hand.
I gotta hold a limb.
Go hold a limb on the other end. All right, go. Okay, hold on, Ben. Hold on. All right, guys. There they are. Ben to cut both of them off the tree. Now I'm going to take the bags off of them and put them in their individual pots. Thanks, Ben.
No problem.
So this is the smallest airlay of the two. This is the smallest. So let me put her in a pot, and I'm going to share it later, okay? I took the plastic bag off of her. There she is. All right, guys, that is both of the airlays. They're now in individual buckets. I'm going to let them, just acclimate. You can see it's so windy out here. And we just put them in a pot. I did not feed them. I'm going to give them something, but not now. It's been so rainy and wet. They're just going to enjoy God's water. Right? So they're going to sit here and just chill. But next month, they're both are going to be off to their individual homes. Yeah, but this wind here. So I got them leaning against my house just to try to block them from all of this wind. But that's the airlays. All right, family. So this is my Orient pear tree. This is her. She's very, very tall. There she is. She's really tall. Now, I seen my nephew over there at So Good Gardener. I seen Calvin's Orient tree. I seen it, Calvin. It's full, man, and I love it. But I have not found any pears on my Orient tree. Now, my Orient is in the ground. She's in the ground. She got all kind of little lights by and all that good stuff. But she... Now, I did see flowers on her. I did. But I have not found any fruits. Now, she's really tall up in there, and I haven't been you know, in the tree, and she is kind of really closed up in the middle and so on, and I should prune her, but I did not. Hopefully she surprised me, you know, and I see some figs later. But as of today, I don't see any figs. I mean, I don't see any pears. But this is my Orient. But let me share with you my pineapple pear. Hold on. This is Miss Pineapple Pear, and she is loaded. The girl is loaded with pears. Oh yeah, all up there she had pears. Yeah, there's pears. All over the back, the front, the side. She got them. I ate from her last season. She gave me a lot of pears. So yeah, this is the pineapple pear. She did good. Now, I purchased this tree first, but what I didn't know when I first purchased my pineapple pear, where I didn't purchase it, Jody bought the pineapple pear for me for my birthday one year. And I hadn't done a lot of research about it, that the pineapple pear needs another pear to pollinate. The next year, I purchased her over there. She's in between of that over there. Not that. That's an orange tree, but the pineapple, I mean the Orient. I purchased that a year later. And the following year, the pineapple pear did give me pears. Now, the Orient did give me flowers, and I was very excited, but I didn't get any fruit. So we'll see. Hopefully, she surprised me because I did see flowers. But we'll see if she give me some fruits. Yeah. So this is my olive tree. Most of the flowers has fell off. And now what is left is olives. Yeah, the olives are here. Wait a minute. See, can I get you to focus? There they are. And they are all over. They are all over. Now we're just waiting for them to get bigger. That's all. They're just going to get bigger and bigger. But that is the olives. Go mama. Go mama.
Moving fast.